Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your AirPods Pro and case are charged, then open the lid. On your Android device, enable Bluetooth and location because many Android versions require location for scanning. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the LED flashes white. This puts the AirPods in pairing mode. Once the light appears, look at your phone's Bluetooth list immediately. Pairing must be accepted from the Android device within a short window. You'll see AirPods Pro appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap to pair and accept any prompts. Once paired, go into the device's Bluetooth advanced settings to check the active codec. Choose AAC if available for better audio. Otherwise, SBC will work. Make sure to install a third-party app that reads AirPods battery levels and offers limited ANC or ear tip fit checks on Android. Because Android lacks native controls for spatial audio, and use your AirPods and test calls, media, and ANC. Adjust ear tip fit for seal and audio balance. If you encounter stuttering, dropouts, or missing features, update Android and any companion app first, then toggle Bluetooth or forget and repair the device. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white and pair again. One key tip: if connection drops frequently, move other 4 GHz devices away or change Wi-Fi band to 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.